This is a quick presentation showing you how you can use Flight and the cold storage option to organize your jobs so you're not paying high prices for all of the content that you're storing long-term in your archive folder. And this will mean that it reduces costs and making searching and finding for all of your different jobs so much easier. So you see here in Flight on my left-hand side, I've got a folder and album structure set up for all of my archive jobs. So I've got some jobs here for different customers that I've done in the past, and you can see I can still access all of the content that is in these archive jobs. They're still here, I can still search on them, and I can still go and find them if I need to. Over here you see I've got a folder for all of my current jobs, and a different album for each of the different jobs that I'm working on right at the moment. And what I wanted to be able to do is go back to one of my jobs that I've been working on in the past, so this one over here for Farm, and I want to bring that back into my current jobs. So I can do that easily. I can just go up here, I can select Move Folder Album, and I can choose that I want to move it into my current jobs folder. So it's being moved now. So if I go back into my current jobs, you can see that here's job 12 for Farm. You can see all of the assets currently in the farm job are in cold storage, and you can see that by the icon here, the little snowflake icon. So I can select all of these files and I can go and I can restore these from cold storage. Okay, and that'll take a little while, so whilst that's working along in the background, I'm going to then go into one of my current jobs, and here we're going to go into the job 31 for Frank Consulting, and I'm going to move this job over into my archive jobs because I've finished it. Same process here, so move folder or album and select my archive jobs. Yep, move that over into archive jobs, so there it goes. Now if I go and open up my archive jobs, we can see I've got all of those files there for Frank Consulting. I can select them all and I can move them into cold storage. That way I'm not paying so much for storing all of the jobs that I did for Frank Consulting, but I can get them back at a later stage. Flight's simple and easy use, and with the cold storage option, it allows you to control where your content is being stored and reduce your costs.